Hello YouTube friends and welcome. In this video I would like to show you another tactical pen. So this is the EDCGEAR tactical pen in brass, and we have here just a standard packaging, nothing fancy. And what was really interesting that I didn't know when I bought this pen was that they give you a spare cartridge. So, and sometimes it is problematic to get spare, mostly when the manufacturer is using some special cartridges in his pens. So just keep in mind that this is a value offering from GearBest, so made in China. So it is really great from them that they give you an extra cartridge, and they for sure they didn't have to do it. Okay, so let us look at this pen. So as I mentioned, the construction is made out of brass. So this is a solid, really solid, hefty piece. The weight is 80 grams or 2.8 ounces. On the side you can also find some information that this is stainless steel. And what was really interesting, that this is a lever or bolt action pen. So you can see it has a really pronounced brassy smell to it. I'm pretty sure that it will get patina from use. And just to change the cartridge you have to unscrew the front. You have a O-ring here, so that I would say that water does not go inside, but it is really pointless because you have opening here and also on the top. So I really don't know why they put O-ring there. You can also unscrew the top if you don't like the pocket clip. Yeah. Really nice value offering. I wanted to get a bolt action pen for me for a reasonable price. So I don't know what the price will be when you are watching this video, but when I got it, they had it on sale for $18.40. So, and they advertise that they had a 61% off sale price. I will put the link down below, so if you like you can check out the site. Yeah, and just a little bit for comparison. So we have here the Hinder Investigator pen, just a regular Sharpie, one of my EDC pens, and also some standard gel pens. So this is a 14 centimeters or 5.5 or 5.5, should we say correctly, 5.5 inches long, so really not too long. So yeah, this was the EDCGEAR tactical pen in brass. Well, if you have any questions, leave comments down below, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.